Okay guys, here we go. Round 7 of the TKC. First off the bat, I just want to say a little shout out to Roddy O Callaghan. Hope he gets better. He had a little bit of a crash there in the final. Hope he's okay. His father, Colin, was meant to be in a race in the final and he ended up having to go to hospital with him. So our thoughts and prayers are with you, Dara. Hope everything's good. So here we are, we're just out for the practice. Little 3-minute warm up on making sure that the transponder's working, no issues. Bit of a laugh to be fair today guys. It was a wild one. Some great racing, great racing, and a few little offs along the way. Some laugh lads. We're out here on brand new tyres as well. Just want to say a massive thanks to Kieran Daly of DMS down in Cork. He had the card for a little while and he was after doing a heap of work to it lads, like new bearings everywhere, new filters. We got a set of tyres off and got a new steering column, bushing. We got a hell of a lot of stuff done to the card lads, so it was running sweet. Couldn't fault it. We had a little issue just with a bolt coming loose on the flywheel, but it wasn't massively big, it was just one of them things. So tightened it up, no issues after that. So brilliant day racing lads. As you can see, it was a bit overcast and a bit of rain coming down on the track throughout the day. It was a tough one. There was times there where we were like, is it going to go on slicks, is it going to go on wets, and we were thinking like we have a good set of intermediates. Great set of intermediates. There goes Jack. He was flying in the practice lads. I'm just taking it easy, scrubbing in the new tyres and just making sure everything was okay. So we were flying and no issues, just taking it around nice and handy lads. It was really just bring it around, feel the track. It's your home track as well, by the way. So I was expecting stuff out of myself today, like just putting a bit of pressure on myself. Maybe that I didn't need it, but it was just like I gotta focus for this track because all the hype I give myself on it and have to prove it one time in the year at least. And round 2 didn't go our way at all. Now it was wet that day too, but this day was just full slicks all day lads. Wet track at times, brilliant. It's a cracking track, very demanding on the body, a lot of G's for karting, you might say. Like just you pick it up around the kart, like around the track. It's an amazing track. Once you get the line right and you're flowing, it's brilliant. Who's going by me? That's Stephen O'Keefe anyway, and it must be an X30 possibly, is it? You can see the number going by me. There was meant to be 13 on the grid, but unfortunately there was a mix-up with the TKC with the registration or so of Aiden, and Aiden wasn't able to get a transponder or something happened anyway. So it was very unfortunate. I was looking forward to getting out on the track with Aiden. Deserves it to be fair, because he helps out everybody as much as he can at the paddock. So it's brilliant to see that camaraderie, you might say, between karters. Like we are rivals, but we're also friends at the end of the day, like, you know, so it's brilliant. Yeah, and I'm correct, that was an X30 that was in front of us as well, that went by us with Stephen O'Keefe. So that's it lads, we're going to go into the pits now and wait for our Heat 1 to come along, and we're going to get a little bit of shock when I go into the pits here. We go and get ourselves weighed. I don't video it, but it's the lightest I've been on the kart ever. Weighed in at 177.5. Couldn't believe it, to be fair. Jack just asked me is everything okay because I was taking it easy. I said yeah, but everything's good. Now lads, so nail biting stuff. Heat 1, starting P8, and this is just the outlap for it lads. So We did start P8, then with Aiden dropping out, I pushed up to P7, and it was just like a knock-on effect up the grid up into where Aiden was. I think he was starting at 5th. So I'll just get the grids out now actually. So starting in first is Samuel Allen, then second Michael Wilson, third Sean Spratt. Sean the Gazelle Spratt, that is. Roddy McKenna in 4th. Aiden was meant to be in 5th, so then Stephen O'Keefe pushed to 5th. Jack McCormack is now in 6th. I'm now in 7th. Peter Lawrence is in 8th. Colin O Callaghan is in 9th. Brian Hetherington is in 10th. Johnny Davey is now in 10th. Sorry, Brian Hetherington is in 11th, and then Pat Walsh is now in 12th. So here we go, lads. We're just going around. 2 lefts, then we got 2 rights swinging around up onto the straight, sitting in behind Stephen. I think I got a bad start in this one. Get a bad start in the final 2, lads. Just telling us to slow down, lad. It's not a bad start. Peter Lawrence just rocket ship. Johnny Davey as well. Mayhem going into the first corner there, lads. Lost 2 places. As it says up in the corner there, I start at P7, I'm now in P9. Johnny, look at him making the attack. I just take Peter now. Sitting there behind Johnny Davey. Me and Johnny had a little bit of a race. It was great. Now, it wasn't much of a race with him because I was just trying to catch him. It's brilliant. As you can see, lads, the water's coming down out of that sky. That's precipitation at its best, lads. Who's Johnny after getting by Stephen O'Keefe? As you can see, lads, that rain is coming down like it's spitting. The camera's getting it now too. The X30s are out with us. Does he take him? No, he doesn't. Go on, Kieran. Up the inside of him. Love it, love it, love it. Go on. Loses it a bit there, but he's still gained the position. So now what, we're back up into 7th. Nice line through there. Could be a bit faster to be fair, but again it's a little bit wet. This is actually the fastest lap we have. Lap 2 is my fastest lap of Heat 1. I think it was a 54.8 possibly. And it's a bit all over the place and you're still getting that. I've checked my laps on Speed Hive, it is my fastest lap in the race. Like. Take them corner up very well throughout the day. The final corner here, I take it the best in Heat 1, Heat 2 in the final. It was bouncing a bit from me. It was just walking your ribs like crazy. So now we're just trying to chase the boys down. Hopefully just keep with them. I know I get ambitious like that. I get ambitious on the back straight with Johnny because I was catching him. Give it to him. Go on, you mad thing, you go on. That's it. Throw it in the corner and it went. You're a lunatic, go on. Johnny's just fighting with could be Samuel Allen. Not too sure to be fair. Flip the call. Oh, Roddy! Oh, there we go. Roddy and Jack take the 2 boys. Jack spun there as well, and now we've got Johnny coming in behind them. Caught him, that's how we caught him, getting ambitious. Is it now? No, it's not, lads. That Marshall got some luck. Oh be the god. That was sore in the bum. There goes Colin O Callaghan. To be fair, lads, he's so fast too. Like, Colin's a decent pilot. Oh! The right front got up to wave at the fellas as well to say, hey! And wave it in the air. There goes Jack. Goes a lap down. His kart wouldn't start after that little tip that he had with Roddy. He got it going though. Who's that we just overtook? Is that an X30 possibly? Lads, I've actually got no idea what lap or what position we're in. Like right now, it's nuts what's happening. There's karts everywhere. Still sitting behind Colin though. Main objective, lads, is when it's raining, don't spin. You don't spin and you're pushing a little bit, you're doing good, like, you know, so there's the wheel getting back up there to say hey again, letting them know he's still there. Could have been on it a bit more here on. Oh, Roddy. That hurt Roddy. Can't believe he did that to me. And the times we shared. I know there's a Westlife song that'll go down right well now. Can't remember the name of it though. Oh, Jesus Christ. There's also a what? I am a rally driver on the circuit for years. Oh, I'm a waffle man now. Oh, be the God, I'm a waffle man, that's right. Off-road, and that was the tune for that. Be the God, lads. He ducked that corner well wide. Lost an awful amount of time. Rain's still coming down. You can see it spitting an awful amount down, and even on the camera, lads, but the track is staying warm from so many on the track, and it's just using us. We're using it and using the tyre. Keep it warm. Make her stick by. Just try. But we're catching the lads, to be fair. Even with the spin, the battling, so we're just trying to catch back up with them. Don't think I'd get close enough to overtake, but let's see if he can claw back any time. Goodbye. Yellow flags. Who's off? Oh! I don't know who that was. That might be an X30. And the video just skipped a little bit though. Might have been just where they did them. Trying together. The GoPro only records for like 8 minutes, 52 seconds at a time or something like that, and then it goes into the next clip. I done messed it up, the edit. There was just no way of anybody catching Sean Spratt the weekend, lads. That chap was just on another level. Who's that? Open that flap eye a little bit late. Last lap he opens it on. He's a mad thing. Mad thing he is. What's he at? Suppose, lads, she's a little bit cold. The moisture in the air was fair high. Thrown down the old droplet. Just get a home here. Shout out to the Irish Red Cross today. Fair play to the lads in reacting so fast as they did with Dara today, lads. Fair play to them. Thank you very much for your service, lads. Much appreciated. Without you, we wouldn't be allowed to race. Oh, fancy, fancy. He takes it home. Finish P7. That's a shock. No drop nose penalty. There's mayhem. Tell you lads, the little bit of rain makes for an interesting race. And as you can see on all my in-laps nearly, I take it so easy coming in. Just trying to preserve as much energy as I can because... oh, I'm still so sore. I'm so sore. My ribs. My back. Let's hope they recover in time for Cork. There's Johnny after pulling in. We got Roddy. Colin in front of us. Who we got pulled over here? That's an X30. Oh, we know he didn't. Oh, he clips the fucking wall. That a boy, Tommy. Pointing and laughing at him. What an Egypt. Clips the wall. There's Kieran. There a boy. Bring on Heat 2, lads. Can't wait. Cracking race.